In this video, we will learn about tuples in Python. A tuple is a collection of values. It is similar to a list, but there is one big difference. We cannot change a tuple. So let's try to understand this tuples concept with an example. Now, to create a tuple, we can, declare a variable. Any variable you can just take. So I'm just giving t, then we write this equals to, and to create a tuple, remember you should use this parenthesis. So now I'll open this parenthesis and I'll give, let's say 1, comma 2, comma 3. So now I'm creating a tuple. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 is a tuple. And now I want to, print this tuple. So I'll write print and I'll say t. Okay, I will use this variable because I am, holding this tuple in t, right? Now let's just run this program and see. Yes, so now when I run this program, you see this output 1, comma 2, comma 3, and it is actually inside a parenthesis. So remember, a tuple is always given in a parenthesis, right? Now let's try to understand the difference between list and tuple. Okay, with a very simple example. So now I'll create a list now. Yes, to create a list, I can, create a variable in the same way. So I'll use ls, okay, and ls is a variable name which will be, keeping the list. So now to create a list, we always use this, bracket, square bracket. So I'll use the same numbers 1, comma 2, comma 3. Yes, so now this ls is a variable which is holding the list. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now, as I said, I want to, show you the difference between list and tuple, right? So now I just want to, assign, I want to just, assign a new number to this tuple at index 0, right? So now when I say ls0, that means I want to, assign a different number to this 0 index. So now here we have 1, right? So now I'm going to change it to, let's say 10, right? I'm going to change it to 10. That means the first element is now, changed to 10, right? It is no more 1 now. So let me just print. So let me just print and see this now. So I'll just print ls now so that you will see the, you will see what are the values in this, list, right? So I'll just run this Python file. Now, can you see here? The previous output remains the same because I didn't do anything here. Now, the next one you see here in the list, I have given 1, 2, 3. And I'm assigning 10 to the first element of this list. That is, one is actually, overwritten by 10. So that's why you see here 10, comma 2, comma 3, not 1. So 1 has been replaced by 10, right? Now this works in list, but whereas in tuple, it will not work. Now I'll just show you here now. Now let's say that, I want to now, I want to change this, first element in the tuple, right? So I'll write t of 0, right? T of 0 means it is referring to the, first element in the tuple. So now I'll write here 10. So when I write 10 here, what happens is I'll just run this program and show you now what happens. Now, can you see here? There is an error here. It says, what is the error here? Line 3 in module T0 equal to 10. That means tuple object does not support item assignment. So the error clearly tells you that, reassignment is not allowed in tuple. So please remember, in list, we can change values, whereas in tuple we cannot change values. So this is the big difference between tuple and list. So that's all about tuple. In my next video, we will learn dictionaries in Python. So please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.